are going to love the 2020 Tiguan. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 2-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, electronic parking brake, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, braking assist, regenerative braking system, power brakes. Inside you'll find rear view camera, wireless charging station, audio radio, touchscreen display, CarNet satellite communications, audio speed-sensitive volume control, cruise control, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, child safety locks, multifunction display, one-touch windows, 4. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
Every certified pre-owned Volkswagen comes with a limited warranty, 24-hour roadside assistance, and peace of mind knowing that it passed a comprehensive inspection. That's 3 major reasons to go out and buy yourself a certified pre-owned Volkswagen. See your dealer for details.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.